Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kemi, and if this is your first time of coming through or seeing my face, you are highly welcome. On this channel, I do skincare product review, I do skin talk, and I also sell skincare products. So if you're interested in very good authentic skincare products, then go check our website. You will definitely find something that you will like. So let's dive straight into this video. This video is one of my requested videos that people have messaged me to request about or to make inquiry about. So I decided to come on YouTube and just talk about it so that everybody else that needs this information can get this information. And if this is something that you have been looking for, then please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video. Just show me that this video actually answers some of your questions. And what are we talking about today? We are looking at the yellow peeling oil or yellow peeling lotion. I'm actually looking at the yellow peeling lotion. I'm going to insert a picture in this video so that you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Yellow peeling lotion is an amazing lotion if you need to exfoliate, like to deeply exfoliate your skin, and you want to rejuvenate your skin, you want new skin cells to grow, then you can do peeling. Now, I get a lot of people telling me that, oh, peeling is bad, I've peeled before and it damaged my skin, it burns my skin, it does this, blah, 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 blah. The only reason why you experience side effect of peeling is because you're doing it wrong or you are using a wrong product. I'm going to use this medium to beg you. If you watch this video, please, I am begging, unless you are a skincare formulator. I'm not saying about these YouTube formulators. I'm talking about somebody who actually went to study and know about skin formulation, who went to a proper school to learn on formulation. Please do not mix any of these peeling solutions that you have seen on YouTube. That would damage your skin 100%. Because when you are working with acids, you have to be extremely patient and you have to know exactly what you are doing. Because you see, this acid, they're very good. When I'm talking about acid, I'm talking about the AHAs or the BHAs, the alpha hydroxy acid and all that. So I'm talking about the likes of lactic acid, glycolic acid, mandelic acid, azelaic acid. There's many more. These products are amazing in terms of renewing our skin cells, but they can also be very damaging if you use it the wrong way. Acid comes in powders, so they are dissolved to a certain percentage. If you see a video on YouTube telling you that, oh, put two tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of lactic acid, 1 tablespoon of glycolic acid, but they never tell you at what percentage they're using it because they don't know. And this is what scares me when I see this kind of things. I'm like, no, this is not allowed. Go and watch channels of people who are actually educated in skincare. You will never see them mix acid on their channel. There's a lot of them there's a lot of well-educated people. I'm not saying that education, I don't mean that as an insult. I'm saying if you really know in-depth of skincare, you will never see any of them mixing acids on YouTube because it's very misleading and it's not good. And this is how it is damaging all you guys' skin. If you're going to do peeling, use products from a reliable company that can back it up, that they know what they're doing. Because like I said, these are dissolved into different percentage. So let's say, for example, somebody said use 2 tablespoons. Mine is dissolved at 90% and your own is dissolved at 70%. We're not going to get the same result if we use 2 tablespoons. So please guys, before I go into my video, just bear that in mind and please do not follow any of those on YouTube. Get this orange peeling lotion. There's also orange peeling oil. There's also yellow peeling oil. There's green peeling. There's a lot of them that have been made from reliable companies. You can try any of that and you're guaranteed to get very good results. So today we are looking at orange peeling lotion. Now, what is orange peeling lotion and what are the benefits of orange peeling lotion? One of the benefits that comes to my mind straight away is the fact that it will help you to rejuvenate and deeply exfoliate your skin. Get rid of all the dead skin cells that have been piling up. For somebody that says, oh, they have tough skin, nothing works on them, they've used everything, try and do peeling. This can also be called the chemical peel because you're using chemicals to actually peel your skin. There's absolutely nothing wrong in peeling your skin. It is great. We can do that. I do skin peeling once a year. I've been peeling my skin for more than 10 years now because I have a dry skin. That's the only way that I can get the normal skin that I have right now. I'm not gonna say I'm still dry skin right now because I think my skin is more normal right now. And it was because I always take my time to do these chemical peels once in a year. Sometimes I miss a year, but I don't do it more than once in a year, more maybe once in 2 years or something like that. So let's go into the benefits, guys. I put it down on my phone so that I can relate it with you guys, so that I don't just talk on top of my head. So the benefit is it's going to deeply exfoliate your skin and rejuvenate your skin. It is going to help you to peel off the dead skin cells that is not allowing your product to penetrate properly and to give you the good result that you want. And it's good for places areas like the ankles, the knees. If you are somebody that has dark feet, dark elbow, if you have stretch mark, peeling is good for stretch mark as well. If you have dark knuckles, if you have spots on your body, on your face, then no, please, no, don't do this on your face. So we're not doing face today. This is for body. So if you have spots on your body, you can definitely do this, and it will really help you to get rid of them and give you that soft. It will make your skin to be soft so that your product can work better. These are some of the advantage of it. Now, this product is actually safe and is very effective. If you use, I like the lotion because it offers a bit of moisturizing as well compared to the oil. So personally I prefer the lotion. So with the lotion, you have to, apply it. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna get into the usage. First of all, let's talk about how many you need. This is another thing where people make a mistake. Somebody said to me, oh, it didn't work for me, and I'm like, how many bottles do you use? He said, oh, she only bought one. It's not gonna work. Now, if you are peeling your whole body, and when I mean whole body, that means from neck to your feet to your toes, you need nothing less than 4 bottles. This bottles only comes in 100 ml. And because you have to apply it over a few days and, layers upon layers, you need to get yourself prepared. I always get 5 bottles every time I want to peel. But you need a minimum of 4 bottles if you're doing your neck to your feet. And if you're only doing your legs, then you need 2 bottles. If you're doing your arms, both arms, then you need 1 bottle. But if you're doing your entire body, you need between 4 to 5 bottles for you to see an effect. Another thing I need to suggest to you is when it comes to packaging, this thing doesn't really have a lot of information. I've got different types, but they don't really have like information about how to use it. It's just the name. So that's why I'm providing you with this information so that you know the best way to use it to get very good result. That is one of the cons of this product because there's no information, but that's how you use it anyways. And like I said, the packaging does not have anything. As what really happened with this product is, and this is one of the reasons why I'm not selling it, people buy in bulk from these companies, mainly from China, and then they can now repackage into their own containers. So unless I find the company that is making it and I can buy directly from them, I'm not buying because it doesn't have any ingredient list, it doesn't have any information. So I need to make sure that I'm getting the original one or the best one before I can start selling. So if I do, I'll let you guys know. But for now, I'm not selling. But if you have a trusted vendor or you can buy it online, you can buy it from China, then you will get very good ones. Now, what would you experience when you use this product? Like when I use the lotion and the oil, it has the same effect. If you use the yellow peeling oil, the orange peeling oil and the orange peeling lotion, it has the same effect. But the orange peeling lotion and the orange peeling oil are more stronger than the green peeling oil. So I always use the orange peeling one. I'm sorry if I keep saying yellow. It's orange that we're talking about. So how do you use this product? This product will need to be applied 3 days, for 3 days. So if you can, I would say don't take your bath while you are using this product. And you will only miss 2 days of no bathing actually if you really calculate it well. So let's say you are starting on a Monday, for example. You would have had your bath in the morning on Monday, or even if it's at night or Monday, you apply the lotion. So you apply it on Tuesday, Monday night, Tuesday night. So you're gonna miss bathing on Tuesday. You apply it on Wednesday night. That's 3 days. So you're only missing Tuesday and Wednesday, and then you can bath Friday. I mean on Thursday morning. And when you bath on Thursday morning, you have to use a very, very mild soap. You can't use your whitening soap while you are peeling. You can't use anything whitening. You cannot scrub while you are peeling. Please, no matter how tough your skin is, or if you even if you feel that the peeling is not coming out, please do not apply scrub until you have peeled the last skin. Do not use scrub and use a mild. I usually use Dove soap when I'm peeling. Dove, everybody knows Dove. You can use Dove, you can use Pierce. Just use a normal toilet soap while you are peeling. When on the fourth day when you start to bath, use a mild soap and get yourself Vaseline. I always get Vaseline Blue Steel. I use Vaseline throughout the time until my skin is fully peeled. I use Vaseline. If you follow it this way that I'm telling you, you will not burn your skin. So, like I said, you bath on Monday, and then you won't bath on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then you bath again on Thursday. But if you know that, oh, I can't do without having my bath, you can still use the orange peeling lotion, which is another reason why I like it. So that means you will just apply it at night and you bath in the morning, but you will not use soap at all for those 3 days. So you can still wash with water but no soap. But you just make sure that you rub it around 6 p.m. for example. Let's say between 6 and 7 p.m. apply this lotion. Now you have to apply it 3 times every 15 minutes on each night. So on Monday night you're going to apply it 3 times. You wait 15 minutes, you apply it again, you wait 15 minutes, you apply it again, and you do the same thing on Tuesday and on Wednesday. And that's why I said you need a lot of this, because this thing only contains 100 ml. And you need to be generous. This is not a cream that you not be micing. No, you have to be generous. You have to be generous. Put a lot. The more you use, the more peeling effect you are going to experience. Don't mice this at all. So this is what you are going to do. And like I said, thicker layer, very, very important. So you do that 3 times every 15 minutes for that 3 days. And if you have to go to work, you bath in the morning, but without soap. But if you can wait and not bath for 2 days, then you can just bath with soap on Thursday morning. But until the process of peeling is done, you'll be using that mild soap. And please get Dove or any toilet soap that you know, like just no medicated, no antiseptic, just a mild soap and Vaseline. That's what you're going to be using until your skin is fully peeled. Now, for me personally, I experienced that anytime I use this, my feet is always the toughest to peel. It takes longer. In fact, my body might have peeled within a week. My feet, 2 weeks is still not, everything has not fully peeled. So what I usually do, and this is what I do, I'm not saying this is what the company says, this is what I do. I apply the peeling lotion on my feet for 5 days so that they can all peel at the same rate. You don't have to do that, but that's what I do. So the peeling lotion goes on my feet for 5 nights. It doesn't mean that I'm not bathing. I will start bathing, but I will still apply it every night before I go to bed. I apply it, I put on the socks, I apply it, I put on the socks, and I will wear a sock until the end of my peeling. That's another tip. I always wear a socks at night so that it helps with the peeling process. So usually after the 3rd day, you should start seeing the peeling from the 5th or 6th day, depending on your skin. But it might take up to 5 days before you start seeing peeling. But for me personally, by the 5th day, my skin will start to peel. And when your skin starts to peel, please do not force peel. I'm sorry this video is getting too long. I didn't want to, but I need to pass this information. Don't force peel your skin. Let it peel. And please do not use a scrub. I think I've said that before. Don't scrub until you are fully peeled. And once that is done, that all the skin have shedded off, and then you can start using your skincare products. Believe me, you will get very, very good result, because your skin is already soft, it's rejuvenated, it's neat, it's clean, it's new cells. Any product that you start to apply that time will start to work for you. If you do it this way, you will enjoy peeling, and peeling will not be something that you will be scared of. Now, like I said, for me, I always peel around January, February, because in the UK it's gonna be cold, there's no sun, and I can stay indoor. I stay indoor more during the winter period. But if you live in a climate where it is hot, then please, when you are going out the following day, please wear a clothes that is gonna cover you, not a tight clothes. Please don't wear anything tight, please. And when you are peeling, please, if you're somebody that goes to the gym, don't go to the gym because you're going to sweat, and you don't want to sweat while you are peeling. So try and avoid anything that will make you sweat during the time that you are peeling. Because if you sweat, you will need to bath now. So try and avoid anything that can make you sweat. And also make sure you wear your sunscreen when you are going out. I always stay indoors anytime, like those 2 days, I will stay indoors so that I don't expose myself. But if you have to go out, make sure you wear your sunscreen. Every area of your body that is going to be exposed, make sure you wear your sunscreen. I will not advise you to use this on your face. I've never used it on my face. I will be sharing with you what I use in terms of exfoliating my face deeply. I'll share that very soon. I promise you guys I will. But don't use this on your face. I've seen people use it on their face, but if you know that your face can take it, please, you can go ahead. But for me, my face don't need it. Like, my face is so, I won't call it sensitive. My face is not sensitive, but my product works on my face. Like, if I use a whitening cream today on my face, tomorrow I will be white. I wish that's how it works on my body, would have been nice. But that's just my face. My face product works so fast on my face. So I'm very, very careful what goes on my face. But if you know that your face can take it, or if you suffer from a lot of dark spots, then you can definitely use it on your face. It doesn't stink. And those are the pros of this product. The things I like about it, it does not stink. It doesn't irritate the skin. It doesn't itch the skin. And that's why I really, really like the lotion better than the oil. It doesn't cause any irritation. It's very good on the skin. But please avoid sensitive areas. Don't go and put it around your groin area. Don't say, oh, I have that inner thigh. Please don't apply it around that area. You can use it on your elbow. You can use it on your armpits. But please, not on that sensitive area. Don't put it anywhere that you know is sensitive. Please don't put it there. Don't hurt yourself in the process of peeling. But every area of your skin that you know is tough or people don't work faster on, then you can definitely use this and you will enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching. This video is longer than what I expected, and I'm so sorry. I still have a lot of things to talk about, but I'm gonna just end it here so that you guys are not bored watching it. But what I would say is, if you have ever tried the yellow peeling, the orange peeling lotion, please leave a comment in the comment section. Let's talk about it. Share your experience. What have you learned? Are you going to try this? Let me know. If you need me to talk more about this, you can just leave this in the comment section and I'll come back. Any question that you have about it, I'll definitely take my time and I'll answer more questions in the comment section. So leave a comment. If there's anything that you don't understand or you want to try it and you don't know how to go about it, leave a comment. I'm going to come back and reply you, because I know this video may not be enough in terms of explaining it. Thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed, this is the time for you to subscribe to my channel. This is the time for you to click that subscription button and subscribe. I need you guys to support me because I know you enjoyed this video. And also don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share this video with whoever is interested in it. And please leave a comment. Leave a comment. I really, really love talking to you guys in the comment section. It's one of the highlights of making YouTube video, just knowing that somebody leaves a comment for me to respond to. Thank you for watching. Till next time, stay blessed, guys.